Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be showing you the real-time FPS count meter if you're using the live wallpaper application in the Poco X3 device. So we all know that there is a default FPS count meter which is available in the Poco X3 device. So by using this default FPS count meter, you can actually see the real-time FPS in all the applications what they are utilizing. So I thought of testing this kind of real-time FPS test if you are installing the normal wallpaper versus the live wallpaper. So you will be able to know how much FPS it's continuously consuming if you are using the live wallpaper in the Poco X3 device. And in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, which is exactly for the punch hole, so try to check the links and description for the playlist of the Poco X3. You can find the videos on this one wallpaper related. There's so many playlists which are available in the description below regarding the wallpapers. And if you want to enable this FPS count meter, go to the additional settings and go to the developer options. In case if you don't see the developer options, so that is another step where you need to go to the about phone and click on the MIUI version. Then the developer click up to 7 times, then the developer mode will be enabled. So once the developer mode is enabled, scroll down to the power monitor and try to click start. You will see this small window here. So by using this window right now, we will be able to calculate how much FPS it's using. So right now you can see, friends, it's only 1 FPS. So because I'm not touching at all the screen, so it's only consuming very low FPS, 1 and 2 FPS only. So once I touch and start scrolling, the FPS will increase to 120 Hz. As you can see, 120 FPS, because I did set the value to the 120 refresh rate. So now let me try to set the live wallpaper in the Poco X3. So we'll be able to find out by using live wallpaper what is the FPS it will consume. So right now you can see here, friends, I did enable the FPS count meter and I did turn on the live wallpaper at the moment. And if you are using the live wallpaper, you can see the real-time FPS count. It's close to 30 FPS at the moment. If you are using the live wallpaper in the Poco X3, you can clearly see here, friends, it's maintaining only 30 FPS. So overall, I did not see more than 30 FPS if you're using the live wallpapers in the Poco X3. And in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpaper, try to check the links in description. You'll find more videos on the wallpapers alone. There is a separate playlist for only for the wallpapers in all the smartphones. Try to check that video. As you can see right now, friends. So this is a quick review on the FPS count meter while using the live wallpapers in this mobile phone. So it's a quick demonstration of using another wallpaper as well. So you need to know what is the FPS it's coming if you're using the multiple another other wallpapers. Or whatever wallpaper you're using, you will get this kind of 30 FPS only to the maximum. So it won't cross more than the 30 FPS if you're using the live wallpaper. So this won't be draining that much of battery, but still this will impact a little bit kind of battery life as well. So you need to be cautious about using the 30 like live wallpaper in your mobile phone every time. And that's it, friends. For more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.